What's the meaning of code switching? Code switching. Code switching.
Code switching. Code switching. Code switching refers to the practice of alternating between two or more languages or language varieties in a single conversation or communication. It is common among multilingual individuals and is used to express identity, establish social connections, and convey intimacy or formality. The result of code switching can vary depending on the context and intention of the speaker, but it can often lead to more effective communication and cultural integration. It can also be a source of pride and empowerment for multilingual individuals.